Real quick public service announcement. If you have the AESwave Uactivate tool or kit like this one right here, evidently they recalled these due to the fact that these two LEDs right here, 87 and 30 and 87A, they're wired incorrectly. And so obviously that's going to screw up your testing. And I believe it's units that were purchased or delivered between like 10/25 of 2023 to 11/5 of 2023. Allegedly, those are the only ones affected. They notify you by sending you an email with a prepaid return label. But I'm not trying to throw AESwave under the bus or anything. They're a good company. It looks like they're taking care of this problem. But it's easy to miss emails and stuff like that, so that's why I want to get the word out. You know, if it goes into spam or whatever, you may not know, and that can really screw up your testing if those LEDs are not lighting up correctly when you're using the thing. So, in any event, hey, if you have one of these, definitely look and see if your unit is affected. And if it is, with that prepaid label, you just send this piece back, and they'll take care of it. Send it back to you when it's all fixed. And as always, if the video helped you out, you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.